right, now let's do the terracotta color. And obviously you can choose whatever colors you want for this. I happen to have these colors already diluted from other projects, but these bottles are great. They seal really, really nicely. And I just write the name on the side of the bottle so I know exactly what the color is. I especially like using these bottles when I'm doing some alcohol ink jelly printing because it just dilutes the color a little bit, makes it flow. Eliminates the step of having to add too much isopropyl because it's already mixed in there. And you can see this image colors super, super quickly. There, we've got our buildings done. So last step, I'm just going to take this terracotta, go over top of that green. They're going to mix together and make a bit of a different shade. You can see my green went out of the lines there. I just leave it, and to me, part of those imperfections make things what they are. I think it makes it more interesting. All right, I'm gonna wait a few seconds for those inks to dry. I will see you in the next video. I'll cut this down so that it's ready to assemble, and then we'll assemble our card.